Intobagusi tuwakarero mpia mono sana etwachire gaiga Isaboke saka primary school eyere Masige East kucha korora egasi abana ange 120 bali kubundizwa mangana a computer mangana digital skills abana abe bakubundizina a company ekorukwa wi ya technology ya lete gasi eye bundiza abana aba eteri church kende gyons abana aba bundizirange chiwikinya mutinyo yomo amangana gutumia chi computer muna bakore gasi bw'emetandao na muna bare konye either bagende kuri kwegasi gusibeli kegasi guse banyare ko manage ibiasara byabo bya ese gasi yabana aba babundisiru nero ekerenge kenene omonene bw'ense oyo kogamba bono iga His Excellency William Ruto aligirete sana mangana y'abana egera abana bakonyu nabwo abarayi bimyake gocha mono ense ya change yonsi bense yonsi ya chire ebintu bya computer byakire digital anya abana baito bare iga chinka gwetamba kuma ebintu bikaye baraje gotigwa erete what we call digital divide na kiekora twaranga yaya abantu nono umuntu kwende charity guchakiranka na kiekora ranga yatiga nchenka nkonya abana babiri batatu bere konye egere na barabuka bachiko okoraki bachiko abana na mu PS na bayire kuzibono company wa wimpi mono uyu musani one akoruka Adam Lane omonere kabisa wawi akoreka company ya China lakini bakore ibintu biki computer chinyinge igoro yo busani bakarete gentekega muna wanege kuruga ya kwende se deputy president igo gentektere isike goche somo goche sense konye kire sobe mu minister migosi bone kwenda tharakanite se deputy president mu wakero musani umbe mona kolrebia.
I think close to 40 counties now. I'm sure we'll have a big celebration when we get to the 47th county. And so it's been very impressive. And for us, the key message has not been just the skills to these 6,200 people, but how do they share the skills with their friends, their family, and everyone else in the community, and advocate for the importance of digital skills. There's actually pretty good internet in most of the country. I know also the CA, which working with the State Department here, is also expanding the internet coverage to the behind parts of the country, building more towers, building more 4G towers. So as people have that internet access, they can use smartphones or hopefully get tablets or laptops in these digital hubs and get those skills. But the skills is really important, right? How do you use that to do business, to buy things and sell things, to, as the PS mentioned, the creative economy is also very important, how to create their content, music and art and film and things, and also help generate revenue online and showcase their talent. And there's so much talent here. So many great ideas amongst the youth here. We had a small competition. The youth have had some ideas. We'll be awarding some of them later with the best ideas, how they can use their digital skills to empower themselves, but also those in their communities, share the skills with others, and help to generate wealth for themselves and their families and their communities here.